Yo, got 3 minutes. There's another house working on. Even the bathroom sink. Figured I'd catch a little before video for me and my folks get it done. Yeah. Change out all these switches and plugs and lights and stove. Already changed that light. Was a little rinky-dink round light. It's nice and bright. We'll paint these cabinets. And clean, clean, clean. Need some more light in this room. One ceiling fan there. Nothing on this end. Get a nice couch and some end tables and lamps. Got a lot of work to do in that bathroom. Pulled out some wall heaters. So now I got some trim to replace. Some paint. You know, you guys that know me, you're welcome to come join in and all this stuff I do. My parents. It's me and my parents. That's my little crew. Right. Let's get this bathroom. That room's pretty decent. Use some spackling, cleaning, changing those plugs, fresh paint. Started patching this hole where we pulled out the sink. It was a mess. This floor is a mess. Walls are kind of ugly color. That thing's hideous. Change that. All right, 20 seconds. That's all the memory I have left. Speaking of, I'm trying to remember this for the future.